lose the intensity just because they are facing a smaller team.
That's another kill block for the HD Spikers. Ayan yung
Clearly blocking not their strongest suit. And it is the exact opposite. If you listen to the coaching staff of VNS, I mean, I think the layman's translation there is "wag kayong masindak," which is a floor. And with his vertical, he's just so hard to stop. Meantime, the three-man block again working for Signal.
block party continues here in set number 2.
But VNS holding their own here in the second set. And the intensity that they that they had out of the gate in the beginning, it doesn't seem to be there. Let's see if Signal will regroup here. Bugawan and Retamar now getting back that point off the block. But it's still even at 10. So VNS is looking really good here in the second frame.
HD Spikers, VNS.
We're talking about the #1 serving team in the league. Oh, Kulabat could not get that one through. Nakaganti naman si JP Bugawan doon.
Block after block for the HD Spikers.
HD Spikers in the lead. Again, the blocking. It's really important also for VNS just do better with their setting the longest, if I'm not mistaken, for Signal. Segi, Suday, look at Ronquillo, no? Sapat, kahit sino itapat mo doon talaga, they've got that net defense covered. Thanks a lot. So si Mang Labnan really has been with the team for a while, and he has seen the highs and lows of VNS. But this is
fast. Tapos si Owa Retamar na bahala kung saan siya pupunta. Everybody is a threat right now for the red shirts. Absolutely. They continue to get their kill blocks here in set number 3. It has been the